Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I am the mummy Finger. Chickpeas Sundal or chana sundal is an easy and healthy tea time snack. For some of us, sundal may bring back fond memories of our trips to the beach. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. Soak 2 cups of white chickpeas or chana in water and leave them overnight. In a vessel or pressure cooker, add the soaked chickpeas, required water and salt. Cook till the chickpeas are soft. Drain out the extra water. For tempering or tadka, in a pan add little oil, a pinch of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, 4 dried red chillies, add the cooked chickpeas and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, add required salt. Mix well and remove from the stove. Tasty chickpea sundal is ready.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.